Our first activity will be to set up a secure sight line with Harris fencing whilst we install the permanent hoarding and deliver 2 cabins that will be powered by generators, ready for the start of the construction activities. During this period, we will disconnect the existing street lighting and commence the reduced dig for the piling mat. We will then install the main site setup with biometric access installed to ensure that there is a segregated access for pedestrians into the Chapman building and between the site workforce. We will also have a gatehouse and gateman to ensure safe access onto the project site for all vehicles. Our site hoarding will have viewing panels fitted to ensure that pedestrians have visibility of the project at all times. Our 2 tower cranes will be fitted with collision avoidance devices and oversailing restrictors, which means that they will not be able to lift any live loads over adjacent areas outside of the construction zone at any time. We have already undertaken a structural proposal with one of our aligned consultant engineers, and via a series of workshops where we have engaged our supply chain, we understand the need to install 2 tower cranes early to ensure the achievement of the construction period milestones. You are now seeing a typical sequence of the construction of a concrete pour. Our vehicles will be banked into the project by our trained banksmen. Our construction sequence has been developed for the optimal programme duration. The lift cores will be constructed progressively from a programme and cost perspective. During the works, there will be various quality control hold points. We see this as an ideal time to engage with the University of Salford students by inviting them to undertake the checks alongside our qualified engineers. We will plan these activities early on as part of our Delivering Excellence initiative, which identifies a route to a snag-free handover. We will agree this programme early within the pre-construction period with the key stakeholders and construction team. We also understand the need to ensure that our works do not impact upon the Faith School that is located opposite the site. We therefore propose to have no construction traffic permitted after 1 p.m. on Fridays. The risk of disruption will be further mitigated due to our just-in-time material delivery, with all deliveries being planned and managed by our Delivery and Logistics Manager, Gary Rushton. We will now move into the final stages of the project, where the frame will be completed and the facade and fit-out work significantly progressed. It is during this period that we will move the final large legacy equipment and close up the facade. We will commission the building to ensure a soft landing at completion. We also anticipate that there will be an extensive amount of large legacy equipment that will need to be relocated into the new building from the existing engineering building. We will engage with the university to develop a plan very early on in the second stage to ensure a smooth transition of this. Our external works will then commence and the hoardings will be removed, ready for the final completion of the building in September 2020.